State Assembly along Deputy Speaker Arideng Pen Hamren along Supi along ingdeng troksike rapho Republic Day avai kang along nang pali dunsi det pialama ki pangjar pon ili tuma der along sulajong kecaria jakong long det pen pining surihinira ingkora plianing kan an ingdeng troksike rapho Republic Day ki talon avai kang nang manlo Lapu West Karbi Anglong District ahem tunpi Hamren rong Supi along le langdam lu pusita Republic Day arani alir alon khe doan ningisi kitalon ningarong kachipi pensi nang talon wang bomlo pininga ningkan lethota Karbi penchengrok kapre ka khe tumpen mithang jutang jubat kilun ke kanang thek pensi talon ponlo adim lake rongbong rong hang pathua club hithi barim Hamren hithi barim along State government a hukuma tengpen Hamren rong Supi det pialama ke pangjar pon lake Assam Legislative Assembly along Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momina Phansi pangjar pon lo tangte donatum Deputy Speaker Momina lam thepen arju pon lo na
Today is the 75th Republic Day. All over India we are celebrating. In Hamren also, in West Karbi Anglong headquarter, we are celebrating 75th Republic Day, and I would like to greet the people of West Karbi Anglong, people of Assam, and the people of my nation for this 75th Republic Day.
Lapu det pialama pangjar pon det pen raiko masai an parta Hamren rong Supi along kido prek jam school along pen march pass kichijeng chipati paman pon Bangso penapi Karbi penchenglok dora pet khe doana tumpen mithang jutang jubat ke kan ke paklang pon pensi ingdeng troksike rapho Republic Day katalona vaikang paman pon bonta donatum aningkan wangalong penle langdam lo plote pining aningkan ketalon ponalong armu aphai ke komdo labangso alam ini tuma Karbi re chopen ke paklang ponalam
Armo cengrum bang pini bang kom jatuh tenglo, prang kita tang abang ke kom participate mare dubo, bah student my school penota, tapi ini bang kom cek. Indonesia bang ke, lon pini pu bang si, tum pulang po non disi pendang lo kute, apa na pulang po, mana lon cipinang po.
Ahok lo, anso se RD duklong pen kita lon pon thek japan ke wang jia ningkan pen abang ke bor I ponang po. Ahok lama bang ke exhibition kulat le langdam iksita handloom and textile na thu asai kam anchor ahok pet pini arni Republic Day arani kopia potsi talon ponangkok bangso puthak Assam Legislative Assembly along Deputy Speaker ke hai momin pen alam thia tengke
This day is significant because the Constitution was adopted on this day in 1950, and this Constitution protects us. Every right of the citizens of our nation are protected by this Constitution. So today the Republic Day has got very much significance for the people of our nation.
Hamren pen rongbong terang Karbi long live